This is my 2022 or 2023 date of manufacture, high air, 5050 BTU window air conditioner. This is what's used in my grandma's bedroom. It replaced the 5600 BTU Kenmore, because the Kenmore, it gave her problems and she wanted something reliable. I had originally bought this for my room because I needed something reliable to replace the Whirlpool, that Whirlpool right there, and cheap. And then I bought a Friedrich and gave this to my grandma. So, and without further ado, low fan. That's a startup like a Macmillan. High fan. And then I'll start the compressor up. Is it on this side? Now it's on the other side. Alright. Yes, it's on this side. Okay, anyways. Let's go right back here where the action happens. So, there's the compressor, there's the refrigerant noises. They put it on the opposite side of the unit, which it's kind of confusing, but it doesn't really affect it either way. This one uses R32. The Friedrich and all the other newer units I have use 410A. This is one of 3 units I have that uses R32. The rest use 22 or 410A. So yeah, it always takes a while to get cool, but it's already blowing decently cold. Yeah, it's blowing fairly cold. Yeah, these new units just need to run for a couple of minutes. Yeah, she's blowing fairly cold now. It does take a while. But also I like to let these things run for just a couple minutes just so they can keep the refrigerant flowing. Yeah, it's blowing pretty good. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.